a new package from Honbike, and it's a lot of the accessories for this bike. This is the HF-01. We did a review about it already, but today's video is just going to be the install of some of the accessories. I got a new seat post so I can put a normal seat on. I don't have to rely on always using this. I got a front basket that attaches up here on the frame and gives us a place to stick stuff. And then I got an upgraded headlight that looks exactly like the stock headlight, so I'm not really sure if there's much of a change there. So this is the seat post. Has a normal seat post clamp on it. And did you see what happened there? That came out. So guess what we're gonna do with this? We're gonna take the suspension seat post with the shim and attach it in here. So, and then this just is going to go down like this. So now we have a suspension seat post for this. And then we have our basket here that mounts to the front of the bike right here. So you just put this bracket on. It's got some rubber material on both sides, and clamp it down, and there's your front basket. And I don't think it's going to affect the folding at all. It should all fold still pretty tightly together. We'll see. So a 4mm Allen for this, just 2 on each side. You just take these out, hold on to them, because that's what you're going to use for putting the normal seat post and seat on. So how do you explain this one? Do I need to get a rubber mallet? Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Just need a little bit of force. There's that. So don't screw your bolts in all the way. Just get them all lined up first. That way if you need to shift anything, you still can. Alright, we got that all good. Now we just slide our seat and seat post shim in. Apparently they came off together. Now we'll do the front basket, which should be 2 more Allen bolts. And these might be a little bit bigger, but maybe not. Maybe it'll be another 4mm. Yep. So 4mm for this too. And we'll do this by hand just to get it started, and we can straighten it out once we get it on here. That looks to be pretty close to the right height, so very easy install. And we'll want to tighten these down as much as you can. Now the seat post height is greatly increased with the addition of a suspension seat post. You could see that when I was riding on the bike path. So even for me, at 6'2", I was pretty much stretching to reach the handlebars. This is why I went ahead and swapped the seat and removed the suspension seat post. I like to be able to touch the ground when I'm riding, so the suspension seat post was a little bit too high for me on this bike. I'll keep that one for one of my other bikes. For now, I think it looks great with just the stock seat post that they provide in this kit. Regardless, I very much enjoy these upgrades. Being able to carry something with me instead of having a bag on my back is pretty nice. Everyone has their own use cases, so this might be the perfect bike for some people, maybe even perfect for most people. I love how small and portable it is, even with the addition of the front basket, it still keeps a pretty slim profile. I can easily lift it up in the trunk of my Tesla with room to spare. I don't even think I would have to fold the seats down, and that's very nice. If you saw in my video, my seat was really high compared to where the handlebars were. That's because I was using the suspension seat post in conjunction with this. So I put the normal seat post back on and put the seat on that, and it lowered it down quite a bit. So if you're shorter and want a comfortable ride, then it's still pretty short. Now let's measure this and figure out where the what the seat height is. So from the ground all the way up to the seat at the top point is 34 inches. So pretty good height, and it can go up all the way. We're at 39, and then with the suspension seat post it was much higher than that. So if you're a tall rider, you could probably get away with using that, but we'll see. I haven't ridden it without the suspension seat post, but it should be fine. Much better than that other golf club looking seat. This is probably one of my favorite looking bikes that I have. I just like how small and portable it is and the styling. So hopefully you guys like that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please go down and hit the like button. If you have any questions or any suggestions, go down there and leave a comment. And I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, as I have a lot more content coming soon. Thanks for watching.